And on top of that too, even if you don't see me ball, or if you just see me there, you're happy, you don't tear me down. You don't tear me down for my birthday. Everybody happy for everybody for their birthday, but me get tear down for my birthday because of that. I don't even like my birthday. God forbid, but at the end of the day, me not look no sorry for from none of blood clot to them, but me just want to leave me alone with no friend them. Just leave me alone. The fact say not go as far as to tag people and tell people say, oh, me have HIV. Because the problem is, where the problem lies. You can't get nobody to turn against me like that. So now go out on a way for do all sort of things. I stay by myself as far as I concerned. To the point where it affect my mental health. I stay by myself, me not go around people. I stay in my yard, me not go a party. Me not do certain things. Me young, me not go nowhere. I stay home, me not talk to people. I stay far from people. I stay far from people. So I know all I am if I work, wanna bring me down with people. Me not take no job from none of you. Me not take nothing from none of you because I'm afraid. But I stay home, focus on business and just live because I don't have a choice. But it's like you force me to alienate myself. And to the rest of people, them will tell me, say me need to give the internet a break. No. Big pussy hole like you need to give the internet a break. You no need to give the internet a break. How dare you tell me if you come off of the internet when the internet is made for everybody else? Why you not say, why don't they leave me alone? Because you see me as the problem. You not like when nobody stand up for themselves and defend themselves, So you know what? Me are the problem. And me are the issue. And me are the problem. You don't like it. So where tell me, say, take a break from the media. No one can't support me and tell me them, so, because remember this, are the media me use to promote my clothing store, Are the media me use to make money same way like some people. So if you tell me, if you come out for the media is so hypocritical. On top of that, you not tell me, if you disappear all the time, so every week, somebody depend me or somebody come up with something. It's like when time you can't find something to tear me down. You go low and low and low and low. Sooner or later, I go send man for come at me and come kill me. I go still gonna say good for me. Go suck on the mother and left me alone. You hear me say? Go and suck on the mother and leave me alone. If you don't like me, you have to support bumbo clap me, brother. No, you have to like me. You don't talk the worstest thing them about me. You don't do the worstest thing them to me. As far as I concern, me not even human being to nobody at all, so me stay far from you. But just leave me alone and make who want to support me. Make who want to come for me life, But don't tell me, say me forget media break when time people do all of these things to me because I'm not in the wrong. I am human being, same way like everybody else. I have a right to feel how I feel because how much can a person take? Don't tear down nobody else like how to tear me down on the internet, brother. Or don't tear me down alone because you know say it's all humiliation. Humiliate the black bitch, the black ugly woman because Jamaican people no racist bad. You understand me I say? You no hate on yourself and you no want people to hate themselves and put themselves down and go and self-destruct and feel in that life and come and boss them hungry and beg on the money for food, but I will never go there. And that's on the problem too. And that's on the problem. The self-hate you hate the fact say me I strive without no help on the don't blood clot let me no close doors for me and give me a basket for carry water, brother. Years me I do this, brother. I mean, I feel like nobody should not go through this where isolate themselves, brother. And me alone do so. Just leave me alone. Don't tell me how to feel either. You can click the unfollow button. You don't have to follow me. You don't have to support me. You don't have to buy no at all from me. Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone.